Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hi friends, it's a 43-inch 4K LG LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is display flickering issue along with double image and color change. Also, here you can see a horizontal line on the top of the display. These types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the glass panel is short, then it is not repairable. Here we are going to repair this panel using a temporary solution. For that, we need to one by one check to make sure that which side the fault is. So in that side, we need to block the gate signals entering to the panel. So see friends, this is the present condition. Here we actually already opened the back cover of the TV. Here in this 4K LED TV, here you can see this is the motherboard. Here actually the T-con board is integrated with this motherboard. So this motherboard comes with built-in T-con. So here you can see two FFC cables that is connected with the scalar PCB of the panel. See friends, you can see this is the current situation. Here actually we can repair it by blocking the gate signals. So it's just a temporary method and the permanent solution is panel replacement, and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. Here actually you can see this is the fault. So here first I am going to remove the right side FFC cable and trying to block the gate signals from there. See friends, as we shown here, you need to block the last 14 pins. And these are the gate signal lines from the left side FFC cable. So here you can see, here using a taping cello tape, here we block the last 15 lines from the right side FFC cable. See friends, now we blocked the last 15 lines. Now in this condition, let us power on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is turned on. You can see the red light. You can see after blocking the right side gate signal tracks, the complaint remains same. You can see it again showing the starter showing double image. So here we confirm that the problem is with this left side. So here we need to first remove the blocked tape from the right side FFC cable. After removing the cello tape from the right side FFC cable, now we need to reconnect the right side FFC cable. Then we need to block the gate signals from the left side FFC cable. Once again, note that this is just only a temporary solution and the permanent solution is panel replacement, and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on luck basis. See friends, here we now fixed a tape on the left side FFC cable. Now let us connect this FFC cable back to this motherboard and check the picture. See friends, now the picture comes and here you can see now the complaint is solved successfully. See friends, now the panel shorting is removed. It's mainly because of VGH VGL shorting in VGH out and VGH even track is causing this issue mainly. See friends, now there is no horizontal line and the picture freezing issue along with double image and color changing issue is solved successfully. See friends, now the picture is crystal clear. Now there is no double image. So this is just only a temporary solution and the permanent solution is panel replacement. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with other interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.